Welcome back to the Stock Market Summary Series. Today felt like a real shift, didn't it? After yesterday's kind of choppy session, buyers really stepped in big time.
Absolutely. We saw some textbook bull flag breakouts in key stocks.
And Bitcoin had a strong recovery too. So we're going to unpack why these moves matter, what they might signal for the days ahead. Definitely stick around for this.
It's worth paying attention to.
Yeah. And hey, before we dive deeper, if you're enjoying these daily summaries, please hit that like button. It's totally free, helps us out a lot.
Yep, much appreciated.
And hopefully we'll earn your subscribe too. You can always unsubscribe later if these updates aren't your thing. And just the usual quick reminder, nothing here is specific buying or selling advice. This is just trading education.
That's right. And today wasn't just a simple rebound. It felt like, well, a statement. You saw the markets shake off those intraday dips.
Yeah, those long wicks on the candles.
Exactly. Closing near the opens, leaving those clear long wicks down below. That tells you sellers tried, they pushed, but buyers just came right back in.
Aggressively.
Yeah.
Rejected those lower prices. Shows real conviction.
Undeniable conviction, yeah.
And you saw that conviction across the major indices too. The S&P 500, the SPY climbed, what, 0.33%?
Yep.
And the Dow, DIA, had an even better day, gained a solid 0.5%.
Nice recovery there, bouncing off its 20-day moving average after that slide.
Tech held its own too. The NASDAQ, QQQ, just nudged up 0.1%.
Still showing that resilience we talked about, but the Russell 2000 IWM, that really roared back.
Wow, 1% gain.
Yeah, a full 1%. Bounced right off its 20-day moving average after that, nearly 2% tumble on Tuesday.
See, that really underlines why watching those moving averages is so crucial, right? They often act as key support.
Absolutely. It's a fundamental concept, something experienced traders like the folks in our mentorship program keep a very close eye on. They act like floors, sometimes magnetic ones.
So beyond the indices, some individual stocks really stood out today.
Oh, yeah. Circle Internet Group, CRCL, and New Scale Power, SMR.
Both of them breaking out of classic bull flag patterns.
Yeah.
And with strong volume, too.
That's the key, the volume confirmation. A bull flag, for those watching, it's like a pause, a healthy consolidation after a strong run-up.
Right. Suggest buyers are just catching their breath before the next leg higher.
Exactly. Especially when you see that volume kick in on the breakout. It's a textbook setup, really. High probability stuff.
The kind of thing we really focus on teaching in the program, how to spot them, how to trade them with discipline.
Precisely. Sector-wise, healthcare XLV led the pack today, up 1.24%.
But energy, XLE, didn't join the party, dropped almost 0.9%.
Yeah, lagged behind quite a bit.
Oh, yeah. And speaking of watching things, as always, guys, if you've got a stock you're watching, or maybe a question about the markets, let us know in the comments.
Yeah, we might cover it in an upcoming summary. Always good to see what's on your radar.
Okay, so shifting from the charts to the bigger economic picture, today's Producer Price Index, PPI, for June, that was a big one.
It really was. It came in flat, 0% change.
Against expectations of a 0.2% rise, right?
Yeah.
That's a pretty significant miss to the downside.
Definitely caught some attention. Sparked a bit of intraday volatility at first, sure.
But ultimately, that flat reading seemed to boost optimism.
I think so, yeah. It helped calm those nagging inflation fears that have been kind of hanging around. Always a positive signal for investors when that happens.
Like a collective sigh of relief from the market.
Something like that. So now eyes are turning to tomorrow's retail sales report. And then Friday, we get Michigan consumer sentiment and building permits data.
Right. We flagged those yesterday as potential catalysts. Could really set the tone for the rest of the week.
For sure.
And hey, the crypto market wasn't left out today. Bitcoin, BTC, it shrugged off yesterday's pretty sharp sell-off, the 2.77% drop.
It did. Rallied about, what, 1.57%?
All right.
Back around $115,100.
Yeah, and it really defied that gravestone doji pattern we noted on Tuesday. So that usually signals a top, like strong selling pressure near the highs.
Typically, yeah. But clearly the bulls had different ideas today. It's fascinating how quickly it recovered. Shows some underlying strength there despite that bearish signal.
What about metals? Gold.
Gold, GLD, ticked up 0.5%. But the interesting part was the volume, a massive spike today.
Oh, really? What does that suggest?
Well, potentially, it could be signaling a directional move is coming soon. It's been consolidating for a while. Big volume can sometimes precede a breakout.
Okay, something to watch. And silver.
Silver, SLV, gained 0.44%, formed a doji candlestick itself. After selling off for 2 days, that doji might be a potential reversal signal. Again, potential.
So understanding these candle patterns, the volume signals, It's crucial.
Absolutely. It's about reading the market's language. Key part of the discipline approach we teach in the Grok Trade mentorship. It helps you anticipate turns, manage your risk.
Yeah, I mean, days like today really drive that home. You see CRCL and SMR with those volume-confirmed bull flags, Bitcoin defying a bearish pattern, markets bouncing off key moving averages.
It all connects.
It really highlights why understanding these market mechanics, these technical setups, is such a game changer. Our mentorship program, it's not just about spotting setups.
No, it's also about risk management, discipline.
Exactly. Building those core skills so you can navigate this stuff with more confidence, aiming for consistency, not just reacting emotionally.
Ultimately, yeah, it's about having a process, a system, not just chasing headlines.
So summing it all up, today felt like a clear buyer-driven bounce. Technical setups looked pretty good.
Yep, markets digested that flat PPI, eased some inflation worries.
And now we're bracing for more economic data. The big question now is, can this buying momentum keep going?
Or was this just a retest of support before maybe more choppiness? We'll see.
We will indeed. And one last time, have a ticker you want us to break down, drop it in the comments.
Yeah, we love seeing what you're watching out there.
All right, we'll catch you in tomorrow's update.